Morning pot pickers. Here we are again on another Billy No Mates ride out. Can't guarantee anything exciting today. Fuck, there's a big muddy puddle and I don't like muddy puddles because I don't want to get my bike dirty. So yeah, trying to get some more time on the beta. So we'll see what happens today. It'll be the same old route. Mud looks a little bit slimy. Let's go through the big hole instead of around it. So yes, here we go again. Skipping over the holes. I was thinking about going down there, but not on my own. I'm bound to end up on my arse. Muddy and puddly. Looks a bit slimy. I hope there's not loads of them today. It's a day to pick a walk along a byway on a Sunday. More people. Okay. Damn bushes. Fucking foliage. This is the rooty bit. Thank you. Cheers. Let's go up the hill, shall we? Branch. Let's go the proper way, shall we? Do hate these little ruts. Apparently, look ahead, let the bars go where they want to go. Yep, not so sure. I'm getting stung to shit here. Pheasants. Can't be asked to go up that hill. I'm going to go up here instead. If I can get through here, because it was bad enough last time. I'm going to end up in that rut. Nobody's been up here. Brambles. Pick a rut, any rut will do. More pheasants. Come on fucker, get out of the way. Not just to land in front of me again, Jesus. Move! Dumbass. bloody pheasants. Fucking move. Jump. So is this. She's a spinning. Should really slow down because I know how sketchy as shit it is. And there's a couple of corners up here that it's hard to turn on the gravel. Fuck a duck is one of them. Thank you. Problem is I'm probably going to run back into him when I come along the bottom run. Oh, this definitely looks fucking muddy, doesn't it? That was a case of having to jump that because it was fucking no way I was stopping. But we made it. This one's like a bloody tree tunnel. building up a sweat now. I'm sweating like a Cypriot at a cash machine. I know it's old now, but there's bound to be some more walkers along here, because they're always here. See? Thank you! Thank you! He's smoking weed. Good example to the kids, mate. She's orange and he's smoking weed. So the kids wake up with a bit more, or grow up with a bit more fucking sense. Cheers, mate. Okay. Can't go too fast in case something comes around the corner. That's what I keep telling myself anyway. Like people walking. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Cheers! Thank you! You alright? Yeah. You alright? Glad I met them where there was a little fucking place to pull in. Like I say, you never can tell what's fucking coming. I can see a person up in the distance which has fucked me speeding along here. And a little doggy. Thank you. Right, little funny story before I go. The restricted section at Lenham was two guys come past on, I was having a fag on a little CRF, I think that was 250s or something. So I did, instead of opening the gate, they were going to jump it. Okay. So I'm just putting my gear back on and heard the clang of the gate and then a crunch. First one's gone to go over it, got halfway and fucking fell off. There's kind of karma for you. It's not hard, open the fucking gate. Because the man who lives near there keeps his eye on the gate, and if he keeps reporting people that are jumping over the gate instead of opening it, it's gonna get closed. So do us all a favour, people, just open the bloody thing, it's not hard. So now I am going to go and fill up with petrol, ready for my next excursion, whenever that may be. Hope you enjoyed this little ride out. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it the thumbs down. Leave a comment in there. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Women walking in the road. Take it easy, stay safe, laters.